Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, my students. Our lesson today: powers rules or exponents rules. Rule number 1. If we have base A of the power n and all power m equals A power n times m. For example, now if we have 2 as a base and 2 of the power 3 all power 4 equals 2 of the power 12. Why? Because we multiply the two powers on the same base A. We have now base 2 and the two powers 3 and 4. We must multiply the two powers. Number 2. If we have two bases A and B, all power m, we must distribute the power m on the two bases A and B. So we write A power m, B power m. So the power m is distributed by the two bases A and B. For example, 3x y all power of 2 equals, now we have the base 3x and y, and all these bases of the power 2 we can distribute this power, so we can write 3 power 2, x power 2, y power 2, or we can write 9, 3 power 2 equals 9, x power 2, y power 2. Okay. Rule number 3. If we have the base A over B and the all of the power m, so we can distribute this power on A over B and we can write A power m over B power m. For example, if we have 3 over 5 power 2, we can write 3 power 2 over 5 power 2, so we can write 9 over 25. Okay. Number 4. Now, if we have the base A of power m multiplied by the same base A but power n, now we have the same bases A and A but different power m and n, and we multiply the two numbers. When we multiply, we must add the powers m plus n when we have the same base. Again, when we multiply two numbers, we must add the two powers if we have same base. Okay. For example, 5 power 3 multiplied by 5 power 2, we can write 5 power what? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Very good. Number 5. If we have the same base but we have divided, A power m divided A power n equals A power m minus n. We can say we subtract the two powers in the case of division But if we have same base, if we have the same base, we can subtract the two powers. For example, 9 over 8 divided by 9 over 6 equals, in this case, division, and we have same base, we can subtract 8 minus 6 equals 2, 9 power 2 equals 81. Now, rule number 6. Any base of the power of 1 equal the same number. For example, 5 power 1 equals 5. 7 power 1 equals 7. 100 power 1 equals 100, and so on. Number 7. Any base of the power of 0 equals 1. Any base of the power of 0 equals 1. If we write 3x y over 2z all power 0, we can write final 1. All this base of the power of 0 equals 1. Then any number of the power of 0 equals 1. Okay. Number 8. 1. If we have the base is 1, power any power equals 1. For example, 1 power 5 equals 1 power 6 equals 1 power 100. All of them equals 1. Okay. Rule number 9. If we have the base -1 and of the power n, now we can say the result equals 1 or -1. We must write two cases. Case number 1, if n is a even power, n even power. The second case, n is odd power. In the first case, if this power is even, -1 power even power equals +1. But -1 power odd power equal -1. So -1 power any power, -1 of the power in any number. This number, if this number is even number, the result is 1. But if this power is odd number, the result is -1. For example, -1 power 2 equals +1. But -1 power 5, not that 5 is odd number, equal -1. Okay? Pay attention. In this case, we can write any number -1 or negative anything. Any number with a negative sign, for example, -2 power 4 equals 2 power 4 equals 16. And the negative with even power, the negative is cancelled. Then we can write 16 positive. But if we write -2 power 9 or 5 or 3 or 1, any odd number, now we must write negative. In the result, we must write negative because we have odd power 3. Then we write 2 power 3 equals 8. then the result -8. Okay. Last rule, number 10. If we have the negative power, a power -m equals 1 over a power m, we convert the negative power to positive power, but we change the position of this number. A power -m became 1 over a power positive m. For example, if we have any number or -2, we can write equals 1 over 5 power positive 2, or equals 1 of 25. Okay. Dear students, they are all rules about powers or exponents. Goodbye. See you in new video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.